This screwdriver set all that can handle almost any job around the house. This one does with almost everything. Let's open. This is a 42 in 1 screwdriver set. Let's open. I like the box. Look like that. Very useful for everyday repairs. Now I would like to show you some repairs at home that I have been using. Display cabinet with glass door. I am using this one. Let me show you. Look at, you can use like that too. This is our screw. It's done. So I'm going to use that screwdriver to assemble this display cabinet. Let's continue. Here, my desk screwdriver loosen up. I'm going to tighten up with this one. Let's do it. It's easy. Let's tighten up this one. Yeah, let's do it. Look at it. You can use like that or just. Ratcheting handle is my favorite feature. It lets me tighten or loosen screw faster without constantly moving my hand. Okay, so easy. Look, you can move like that, or look, there are 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. You can use whatever side you want. Okay, like that. Okay, look at, you can move like that. If you turn this here, you can move it like that. This one. I also like it comes with both long and short bits. The long bits and extension bar make it easier to reach secure tight space. You can use this one. Şuradan başlayalım. Oğlum ses yapıyor ya. İlk uyutmaya mı gitti anne? The set includes Phillips, flathead, hex, Torx, so you are able to find the right bit for the job. Okay, like that. You can find which one is you want. You can use for assembling furniture, adjusting door hangers, fixing shelves, and other small projects around the house. One screwdriver set for home repairs, furniture assembly, and everyday maintenance. This is a great kit to have. Thank you for watching.